Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance 757 La Bella. The song is La Belle La. The artist is Bella VONTES, and the choreography is EUGENA Gordon. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you want the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end. Just click on the video. Also, check out the choreographer. Also, speaking of checking it out, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026, as we celebrate our 10th year anniversary. You can go to our website for all details. Registration opens June 1st of this year, 2025. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. And let's go. And there you go, 757 La Bella. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.